Rescued him in May of 2013 at just over 1 year old. Whitman now has a funny rooster strut with his hind legs and has permanent bladder control issues caused by this untreated injury. But please don't let his abusive past define his future. He doesn't. He has a loud, distinctive voice and loves talking to people. He also loves playtime. But his very favorite thing is food. Just out of kittenhood, this beautiful boy makes the rounds, grooming and caring for the other little ones with all the tenderness of a mother toward her young. It's as though he's trying to give them all the kindness and attention he was denied as a kitten. But despite his rough beginnings, Whitman is easygoing, so trusting, and ultra-friendly. He does well with cats, especially kittens, and gentle children. Please give him the chance he so deserves. Whitman puts the P in perfect, and is available at our Uptown.